Hey y'all, it's your girl Telisha. Alright y'all, this video is going to just be me cleaning my makeup brushes because I have my first official client to my business that I am trying to build and grow called Facesbytelisha. So I'm just gonna be doing makeup, eyebrows, eyelashes. Yeah, so I got my first client tomorrow, and so it's my cousin, but you know, family, friends gonna support me. I am not a professional. I'm growing and learning as I go. I do my makeup, not as much as I used to, but I do my makeup, and I do mostly soft beats, like light beats, makeup, no makeup beats. Like I really don't know how to do the extreme looks. So for now, we're gonna keep it cute, we're gonna keep it soft, and we're gonna make sure everybody looks, you know, natural and not like a ghost. So before we get deep into this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you'll know each time I post a video, and thumbs this video up and drop in the comments below some tips you got for me starting out. I bought this makeup cleaner. I got it from Five Below, y'all. So this is gonna be my first time trying it out. And I got some makeup brush cleaner. I also got it from Five and Below. So you know, I want to make sure everything is clean and sanitary, you know, for my first client, because you know, I don't want to break nobody's skin out or nothing like that. So yeah, we're gonna clean all the makeup brushes and the beauty blenders. I lost track of what I was about to say. So what I think I'm gonna pour some of this over in here. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and tell y'all what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna play a little B-roll, so you know, enjoy the music, and I'll be back by the end of this video to talk a little more with y'all, okay?
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
Hey y'all, all of my makeup brushes are clean. They ready to go. They sanitized. And then I had picked up the other day these from, I got these from DD's. They were $4.99. They come with a blender, a makeup puff, a powder brush, and a foundation brush. So yeah, I got that for $4.99. Pink is my favorite color, so I couldn't leave it in the store. I had to get it. I had to get it. And then I also picked up this. This for the eyebrows. It's the powder eyebrows. I'm not gonna use this tomorrow only because I want to practice on myself first before I try to do somebody else. But I've done it before on myself, but not good enough to where I feel comfortable doing it on somebody else. So I will be practicing on myself with this. So stay tuned for that. Videos of me doing my own face, practicing, crafting, perfecting my craft. So that's about it. That's about it. I just wanted to come and let y'all know what was going on. What's going on this channel, what's the confusion, honey. Sometimes I don't know, but that's what's going on. This is gonna be my brand, Faces by Telisha. So y'all just tune in and support by liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a new video anytime I post, because I don't know we don't post yet. I don't know what days I'm gonna post on. I'm just gonna be posting. So turn the bell on so you won't miss me. And yeah, drop in the comments below some tips on how to go about cleaning my brushes, because I only use these brushes on my face, so I don't clean them as often as I should. But since I'm gonna be using them on other people, I might have a personal set for me, and then, you know, these will be for my future clients, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned because I got my first client. Yeah, and yeah, booked already. Clock is speaking, booked and busy into existence. Yep. So yeah, let me get everything cleaned up and organized so tomorrow I'll be ready to go. So until next time, I'll see y'all.